Hi, this is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Jonathon. Jonathon has been trading with us from the 29th of March up until the date of review, 5th of November 2021. Jonathon has had a gain, like I said, of 8.9%, a daily gain of 0.03%, and a drawdown of 8.62%. Jonathon is now on level 2, managing 30,000 US dollars. As we can see from Jordan's chart, had a total of 190 trades. Out of 190 trades, Jordan's won 107 and lost um, 83, so which represents a 56% or 44% win to reward ratio rate. So basically, he's accurate just over half the time, almost 60% of the time, and is inaccurate about 44% of the time. As you can see, he's got some open trades here on the pound US dollar, and as you can see, profit. Let's look at a summary of trades taken. Jonathon's traded quite a few pairs, as you can see here. So I always recommend my traders pick the 4 pairs that bring you the most pips. And in Jonathon's case, Euro AUD, Euro CAD, followed by Pound AUD, followed by New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and US dollar CAD. Overall, New Zealand dollar, yeah, CAD. So what we can do is stick to these pairs because these pairs will always give you consistency and help you get to your goal faster and easier than going over X amount of pairs. Because when you focus on a few amount of pairs, it gives you the right state of mind. You have clarity of the market, you know what you're trading, you know your entries, you know your risk, and you know your exits. And you're not going to be suffering from FOMO, and you have the psychological advantage to help you get to that level of consistent profit. Overall, this is a good attempt. So let's have a look at the trades you've taken. Okay, if we go into your trades, we can see you made your 10% with 453.1 pips. Let's call it 453 pips. Your best trade to date was $409.43, and your worst trade to date was for $335.10. So as you can see, in terms of pips, that's minus 150, and in terms of best, that's 207. So you've done very well. Looking at your monthly analytics, in the first month where you joined us, you have 0.8%. As you can see, you only traded just 2 pairs, which is the pound CHF and the Australian dollar CAD. Second month, April, you traded quite a few pairs, but mainly the pound CAD was your biggest trade out of the whole pairs you could trade. Followed by May, you've diversified again. Or June, you were a bit stable in June. As you can see, June, you had a few pairs you traded, but you just about broke even. July, same again. August, quite a few pairs, pound Kiwi and Euro AUD were the bulk of your trades. Coming September now, you've had Euro AUD and Australian dollar US dollar as the bulk of your trade. October, you have pound AUD, Euro AUD, and a balance of the rest. And finally, you have pound US dollar, pound NZD, Euro CAD, and Euro AD for the month of November. So this is a good attempt. Looking at your history, I always tell traders, and I'll say the same thing again, always have a stop loss in place. It's just good money management, good risk management, and it prevents you from hitting a drawdown and excessive losses, just in case there's a fundamental release that's not anticipated, or just in case you get swiped out of the market or your positions have to be closed for various reasons by the risk manager, or there's a lot of volatility in the market. So these are reasons why I recommend you have a stop loss in place. And more importantly, it controls your risk and it increases your profitability rate and it reduces your drawdown and the amount of losses you have. Because as a trader, you need to be in control of your trades and have that psychological advantage. I recommend a book by Mark Douglas called Trading in the Zone. Read that book. That book would definitely help you get to that mindset and give that psychological advantage, but not taking nothing away from the hard work that you've done and put into this and getting to level 2. So congratulations, Jonathon, and well done.